Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to Skill Station. Today we are going to start a course that will call R Studio. Here we will discuss each and everything about R Studio from basic to advanced level. So first of all, basically what is R Studio? All the person who are going to do research or are doing research, they will know about data analysis, and they know that in the research, when we are talking about thesis or we are talking about research articles, chapter 4 is important because it contains analysis and results. And for statistical analysis, different softwares are used like SPSS, Excel, Minitab, Jamovi, Stata, eViews, Tableau, etc. and RStudio. So RStudio is very important software. Why it is important? First, it gives us authentic results and outputs as compared to other software like SPSS. RStudio or RStudio is a powerful statistical tool that is mostly used in worldwide file analysis. Even in Australia, USA and UK, mostly professors recommend to students or researchers use RStudio for their data analysis. So first reason, R gives us very authentic results. Second reason is that why we use R, because R is free available statistical tool. We can use it without any cost, without pay any penny to anyone. So it is a free available tool that we can install from Chrome. We will install today, and so that is the reason we use R for our data analysis when we are going to do a research or we are going to perform our analysis. So R is widely used in all over the world. So second thing about RStudio, why it is beneficial to learn, why this course is important, because after completion of this course you will be able to perform 100 plus analysis by using RStudio statistical analysis. You will be also able to perform qualitative analysis. And if you want to work as a freelancer, RStudio has very demand on our freelancing platforms. Many freelancers are providing statistical analysis services to researchers and clients and earning a handsome amount. So after completion of this course, you will be able to perform analysis and work as a freelancer. So now let's come to the topic. What is R and RStudio? What is RStudio? So RStudio is RStudio is the statistical tool that is used for statistical analysis in research and in different companies to analyze their monthly reports. It is used in economics, medical subjects, agriculture, and all other subjects like finance and accounting also. So what is the difference between R and RStudio? As you can see that I am talking not about RStudio, I am talking about R and RStudio. So these are two different softwares. So let me explain what is the difference between R and RStudio. For example, we have two cars, car A and car B. Car A has engine and it has potential to drive. Car A can be drive, and car B has no engine but it has complete body structure. It has wheels, handle and other things. So car B cannot be drive because it has no engine, but car A can be drive because it has engine. So same, R is used to perform the statistical analysis, but RStudio cannot perform analysis alone. It only provides support to R. So we will put R to the RStudio. R will be basic software that will be used to perform the analysis, and RStudio will be a structure or body that will provide support to the R. So this is the difference between R and RStudio. So now let me explain how to install R and RStudio. Before starting this course, please subscribe my channel Skill Station, because in this course you will learn RStudio from basic to the advanced level. So how to install R and RStudio? First of all, you will open Chrome. Let me open and go to Google. Here you will write R crane. Here you will write R crane. Here you will click here, and you can see that in first option there is crane R project. You will click here, and after Here you can download R for Linux, R for Windows, R for macOS. So you will install R for Windows. You can also install from here. Second option, R 4.5.1. It is the latest version of the R. So you will install R from R Crane. Now let me explain how you will install the RStudio. So you will write down on Google RStudio and click on that. After that you will have option posit.co. It is a website that will provide you RStudio. You will click here. When you will click here, you will see two options, R and RStudio. Here R and RStudio. So we have already installed R from R Crane. Now here you will only install the RStudio from here. So when you will install RStudio, it will look like this is RStudio and it is R. R will be shown to your desktop screen like that, but RStudio will not shown on your desktop screen. It will be shown when you type here RStudio. You will type here RStudio and open app, and the RStudio will be open. I have already opened, so I am not going to open it again. So it is RStudio that will be provide support to the R to perform the analysis. So basically R has 4 screens. Let me explain. When we open R, when you will open R for the first time, you will see 3 screens like that. But when we click here, you can see 4 screens. You will see 4 screens. You will click here and you will see 4 screens like me. So first screen is called script writing screen. Why it is called script writing screen? Because in this screen we write down the script. Second screen is called console screen, that is also called the output screen. Screen 1 is the input screen to write a script. Screen 2 is the console screen. Screen 3 is a global environment screen or data screen, because here we import a data set to perform analysis. Screen 4 is called packages or plot screen, because all the graphs will be shown in 4 screen and all the table will be shown in screen 2 and the data set in screen 3. So we have 4 screens on the RStudio. And one difference between R and RStudio, why we not perform analysis on R? Because once we write a script on R, we cannot edit, but when we write the script on RStudio, we can easily edit. For example, I write down a script on R and later I find that there is an error in my script, but I will be not able to edit. I have to write script again. But in RStudio, if I find any error that my script is wrong, I can modify or edit my script in RStudio. So RStudio is very supportive software to perform the analysis. So guys, this was our first lecture. Here we learned about RStudio, what is R, what is RStudio, how to install both softwares. In the second lecture, we will discuss about how to import a dataset and what are the packages, what are the libraries. Actually, I am going to teach this course from basic to advanced level, so that all the students who are beginner are able to perform analysis by using the RStudio. So it was our first lecture, and inshallah tomorrow we will start our second lecture. So subscribe my channel Skill Station and stay updated. Also follow my Facebook page Statistical Data Analysis Guru. And if you want data analysis services by using SPSS, Stata, Jamovi, Excel, Minitab, Tableau, and Vivo, you can contact me. I am also providing online classes. So thank you so much.